In this video, I will show you how to blend two images and create a beautiful photo effect in Affinity Photo. To know the complete process, please watch this video till the end. Hello and welcome to the Affinity Vibes YouTube channel. Before we begin, if you want to get notified whenever I release a new Affinity Photo effect tutorial video, click the subscribe button. If you like my work, please hit like, share this video, and leave a useful comment. It's free, and it motivates me to keep going and make more videos for you all. Now this is my first image. And I am adding another image. A few adjustments and repositions. Now change the blending mode to screen. Here, I need to remove a few reflections from my second image. So add a mask. Take a paintbrush tool and brush those areas I need to remove. Use some levels and vibrance. And that's it. If you found this video useful, remember to like it, share this video, and please leave your useful comment. Also, subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification to receive updates on my brand new video. Thank you so much for your support. See you again.